Hello, in this video I will show you how we can download and install Python on our Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Let's see how quickly we can do this thing. At first we need to go google.com, and once we are in the google.com, then we have to type Python and then hit enter key of our keyboard. Once we hit enter key, then we will see the python.org. This website is there. We can directly click here and then it will open python.org, this website. From here we have to choose downloads, this button, and it will show the latest version of Python over here. Here is the link, download the latest version of Windows, and there is a download button, and right now the latest is 3.13.0. To download it, we just need to click here and it will ask us the location where you want to download on our Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. I'm going to choose the download folder to download it, and then finally I'm going to press the save button to start downloading the software. Once it is downloaded successfully, we'll access there to install that thing. So I see in this download icon, if I click here, it is showing that it is already downloaded and it is like this megabyte of size. We can go to that folder location, or we can double click here to start the installation quickly. And once we double click the installer, it will bring us this type of window. Here we have to choose what we need to install or configure. So at first we need to choose these two options, this checkbox, use admin privilege when installing Python, and add Python exe to path. These two things, just click here. And there is two options is there, install now or customize the installation. So if we want to install this Python to different location or feature, then we can choose this thing. But I'm going to click this install now, and I just check this thing so that in future I don't need to set the path. It will make our installation very easy. And right now we are seeing this is the version of Python 3.13.0. Once we install successfully, then we will also verify whether we are able to install this or not. So once we check both of these options, then I'm going to press this install now button, and it will ask us this type of window whether we want to continue or no. We are definitely going to install it because we know we are going to install it. Then we have to choose yes button. Once we click yes, then we'll see this installer window, that means the setup progress window, and here there is a green status bar. Python is installing on our Windows, and once it is successful, once the installation is successful, then this whole progress bar will be completed and we'll get a confirmation message. Don't close this thing or this window or try to cancel this button during this installation. If you try to do that, then you need to do the installation from the beginning again. So here it is showing installation is almost done. The progress bar is almost at the end. It generally takes like 1 minute to 2 minutes to complete the installation. So once it started installation, just wait till it finished. Once the installation is finished successfully, then we'll get this type of confirmation message, setup was successful, and there is a close button. We can press this close button to close this window, and this thing we also don't need, we are going to close it. Now let's check whether Python is installed successfully or not. There are different ways we can check whether it is installed successfully or not. The easiest option is just click the start menu and then start typing control panel. And here is the control panel. We can click here and the control panel window will be opened. From here we have to go programs and features. We just need to click here, and then there is a search box. Here just type Python, and here you will find that this is the Python version which I just downloaded and installed, 3.13, and this is the total details of this version. And if you want to check from command prompt, we can also do that thing. I'm going to close this window because I already verified from here. Now let's check another way whether Python is installed successfully or not. I'm going to click start menu and start typing cmd. Then the command prompt application is there. We just need to click here and the command prompt window will be opened. Here we need to type one small command. The command name is python, then dash version, and then we have to hit enter key. And here we are seeing that the Python version is showing there. If it shows there, that means we have successfully installed Python on our Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So that's it guys. That's very easy. In this way, you can easily install Python on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Thank you guys for watching the video.